The Arctic, with its icebergs and glaciers and sub-zero temperatures. Whew. Makes you feel cold just looking at it, doesn't it? Ugh. So, who could have ever imagined someone going for a swim there? But Lewis Pugg did just that to alert the world to the reality of global warming. Cool. This guy swam for just over a kilometre wearing only swimming trunks, goggles and a swim cap, in water that, had it been 1 degree colder, even a polar bear couldn't have handled it. How do these athletes push their bodies beyond their physical limits? What intrigued me is what Pugg said, that once in the water, mental strength is the key. The temperature in the Arctic Ocean was 3 degrees centigrade, which would probably kill most people. Pugg claims he is able to increase his body temperature by willpower alone. He says he controls the response, which tells the brain to get out of the freezing water, and that apart from cold water training, he did 4 hours of mind training every day. In the 1960s and 70s, Apollo astronauts used a technique called visual rehearsal and visualization to help them train to perform dangerous and complex maneuvers in space. Drawing from this, American Olympic athletes started a training program incorporating this technique. Athletes were asked to run their races just in their minds. They were then hooked up to a biofeedback machine, which showed that the same muscles fired the same sequence as when they were running on the track. The results were significant in that they revealed that the mind cannot distinguish between the real world and the imagined one. So that using visual rehearsal and visualization as part of a training program, the end result is an increase in physical efficiency. The athlete should visualize and kinesthetically feel the image. So, if a sprinter is visualizing his race, he should also sense his feet against the starting blocks. Feel the texture of the track. Hear the anticipation of the spectators as they wait for the starting pistol. The more real the visualization becomes, the more the mind finds it difficult to distinguish between the images and the real world. The theory is that effective visualization leads to real-world success. Can you train the body to overcome normal physical limitations? Let's give it a go, shall we?